Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into DiDi application on your mobile device. If you have an existing account for DiDi and you've recently logged out or signed out and you'd like to log in back again and access your account, then the process is quite easy. Open the DiDi application on your app drawer, and then soon after you open up the app, this will be your first interface. To sign into your existing account, you have a couple of options. If you previously signed up using phone number, you will need to do the same over here as well. If you've previously signed up with Facebook, Google or Apple ID, make sure you select the social sites options at the bottom of the screen where it shows you the Facebook, Google and Apple logo. Since I signed up using phone number, let me go ahead and get started by typing in my phone number. Select your country code from the first drop-down and enter your mobile phone number. Now, agree to the terms and condition and privacy policy by tapping on this little circle at the bottom and click Next. On the next page, you will need to verify your phone number or enter your password associated with your account. If you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password and follow the instructions first to find your password. If you remember your password, you can type it down in the text box and tap on Next at the bottom once you are done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to log into DiDi app. So that was how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.